Good afternoon, viewers. Today again we are at a beautiful property. This is actually a penthouse which is actually located on the upper levels on the 13th floor. So if you are looking for something lavish with more specifications, high-end specification with a niche community of around units in place, this is the property which you have to watch in for. So this unit will be completed once the client comes in and give a part of the customization. So this is actually a lavish duplex penthouse which comes with all world-class finishing detailing which will be done once the client confirms the unit. So this is our two levels. The super built-up area is almost around a 5,400 square feet, a four-bedroom plus. So we enter into the main door in here. So this you will have a main door with all the smart locking systems completely. So this is how you enter. So you enter into the lavish living space which opens to the uh, deck area. So this complete, you will have a staircase in this space. So you'll have access to the vent level above. So this is how the living space would look completely. And this glass, what you are seeing is actually a fixed glass, this area. And when you talk about the access, you will have from here. So you'll have a sliding UPVC soundproof window systems in here, and this is the kind of view what you get from the space in here. So you get a lake view on the right and the complete greenery of Yelahanka on this side. And this is the terrace space, the lavish terrace space what you get through this unit in here. And at this level you have a common washroom. So all the fitments will all be from Toto completely. The flooring will all be Italian marble. Then we enter into again a space. Then this is the kitchen area. You have a spacious kitchen space where we can even make an island kitchen space for the double door refrigerator. Then you have the concept of wet and dry kitchen. So this is your dry kitchen and this is the wet kitchen area. And if you see, you have good lighting and ventilation all around, and this is the part of the utility space where you can push in the washing machine, dishwasher, complete in here. So this we are at the ground level in here, and here comes the dining area. So you have an option if you want to place your dining here, you can place it here, or if you want a lavish dining space, you can create a dining and a second living space in here, which again opens towards the complete terrace area. So if you are looking for large terraces, then this is the property which you have to vouch in for. So this is again the additional terrace space, and again look at the massive view, and this again has the access around. So this is actually a ready to move in property. So once you come down, have a look, sit across for the pricing modification. Everything can be handed over by max around 2 to 3 months of time in here. So again from this space also you have the access towards the space areas here. So you got good spaces to walk around here. So then we enter it at the lower level. This is one bedroom here. So you have a space for your walk-in wardrobe here, and this is a large bedroom. So in the bedrooms you get laminated wooden flooring. Again the fitments are all from Toto, a Japanese brand known for its specification detailing all in there. So complete space in here. So you have a double high ceiling in here, as well as a skylight in here too.